For me, that's not right. He should show, I'm sorry, no, he should show leadership and say, okay, let's meet. Itong plano, itong gusto natin gawin, diba? And of course, we will agree with him if we think it's necessary. Pero we need a plan of action. We cannot be magsasparring lang kami sa Senate floor. We cannot be just sparring in the Senate floor. Hindi maganda yun. And it will look like we are chaotic as an institution. I'm sorry to say. Yun yung sinabi nga niya sa press con, yun. Pero hindi niya kami sinabihan. He said it in a press con. So as far as I know, yeah, then as far as I know, the only knowledge of this impeachment as far as I'm concerned is what his statements are in the media. Sana naman he tells us, either one by one or as a whole. Wala talaga kami alam, to be honest. It's a collegial body, di ba? Consensus building dapat yan, para walang gulo. Pag nagkaganon, gulatan yun, tsaka gera. Well, maybe that's his purpose, I don't know. But as far as I'm concerned, I will stand up and raise that issue this afternoon. Na when do we work as a legislative body and when do we work as an institution for convening the impeachment court?
So just so you're in favor of proceeding now with the trial?
It is a constitutional matter. The Constitution tells us to do so. The Constitution is the Bible of our country. We have to follow our Constitution. We took an oath to follow the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Now, the process is what we have to discuss. How do we do it? When do we do it? Because as of now, we don't know what's going to happen. From the leadership, we have no clue.
So lacking in leadership?
Hindi naman, I don't know, iba lang siguro leadership style nila. But the clamor of many of the members of the Senate is to call for a caucus so that we can discuss this, not about the merits of the case. It's not, we're not going to discuss panalo ba, may boto ba o hindi. Kasi baka ayan ang ayaw niya na magkaroon na ng parang lutong Macau doon sa caucus. No. Ang tinatanong lang namin, ano bang schedule? Ano bang mangyayari sa aming mga panukala na nakabin-bin na yon sa Bicameral Conference Committee reports, third reading approvals of measures na gusto din namin tapusin.